So I found some new software over the break. It's called TeacherMade. So this should make it a lot easier to work on homework assignments at home if I didn't give you the worksheet in class. So all I've done now is I have clicked on the link that I gave you in Canvas, and we're going to begin 7th 5.5 homework. So we're going to begin with Google. You're going to sign in using your Brown County Schools email, so I know that it's you. And then just as a secondary measure, you're going to type in your name up there, so I know that it's you. Please give me your period number, 1 through 6, just so I can find your class a little bit easier, because how this is going to be submitted is every single 7th grader is going to submit this to me, and I have to sort and organize by period. So putting that period number is going to be a huge help for me. Once we get into this part down here, the first part I'm asking you to graph these lines. I don't have any graphing tools down here. So what you're gonna have to do is you're gonna come up to this line right here that says draw a line. And you can draw your line any way you want. Make sure that you're watching or looking at this information up here to be able to draw your line. So you're gonna draw your 2 lines. If you mess up and you realize you mess up, you can hit this erase button that says erase shapes, and you can go through and erase those lines that you've created and then put them in the right way. I'm just drawing random lines. These are not your answers. Once you get down here, TeacherMade was nice enough to put in fractions for us. So when you're looking at this, you're going to say this is either a positive or negative slope. So positive, you're going to keep it the same, but a negative slope, you're going to put a negative sign. And that's right next to the 0 button. And then you're going to type in whatever you find the slope is and then move on. And you're going to do that for problems 1 through 4. Scroll down a little bit more, and it says for this next section, you're going to be using the 4 words that we learned during our Slope Dude video. If you're not sure what I'm talking about, go back and watch the 5.5 notes video. I talk about it in there. The only problem is you have to spell the words correctly for it to grade it properly. I don't care about capitalizing letters or not, but it does have to be spelled correctly. So you're going to go in here and you're going to type in whatever the answers are for these 4. Once you hit down here, you're going to be graphing the line given the point with the given slope. So we've got a point, we've got a slope, and you're drawing your lines just like how you were before. And again, if you totally mess up, erase button, just erase that. Once you are done, you're going to hit I'm done. If you get started and something pops up, you can always hit save for later. And if you do that, you're going to submit your worksheet to me as it is. Come on, let's go. Okay, so you're going to submit your worksheet as it is to me. You can close the window, and then if you come back, you can finish your worksheet. Just remember that I am going to grade them at some point. So if it's not done by the time that I grade them, you're going to get the score that I give you. If you need to go back and finish it, just send me an email and I will change your score for that. If you have any questions over this, because it is new software, it's new to me, it's new to you, just let me know and we'll figure it out together.